Let's do a high drop fade. Start with the number 2 to remove all the bulk. Using a trimmer, make a baseline, but drop it low. Then get rid of the hair left underneath. Shave down to make it booty bald. Next, with the clipper and the lever open, make a 1/2 inch guideline. Slap on the number 1 and scoot up another 1/2 inch. Using clipper over comb, seamlessly blend it all together. With that one guard, let the lever close this time, knock out the line within. Too easy. Close with the lever and remove the baseline. Remember to scoot it by small increments as you move up. Boom, and just like that, add some detail, shape it up, and style to finish the look.
Fine like grapevine wine.